The demand for senior AI, cloud, and cybersecurity professionals has reached an all-time high. Companies are actively searching for experts to solve complex business challenges, yet many veteran tech professionals operating on freelance platforms are deeply frustrated. The pain points are entirely operational. On a mass-market gig platform, you are competing against thousands of unvetted profiles. To win bids, there is a constant, heavy pressure to lower your rates. Instead of relying on technical capability, highly skilled experts are forced to spend unbillable hours gaming keyword algorithms and tweaking their profiles just to stay visible. This bar chart shows exactly why that happens. There is a clear inverse relationship here. As a platform's total user volume goes up, the average hourly rate a senior expert can command goes down. It creates a race to the bottom. In a system built for volume, cheap and fast labor will mathematically outcompete deep, specialized expertise. Traditional freelance platforms penalize true expertise by forcing senior talent to compete on metrics designed for junior task runners. ExpertOnHire is a platform built specifically to reverse this dynamic. The core structural difference is that they prioritize strict technical vetting and long-term client retention over raw user acquisition and quick gig turnover. They operate as a vetted talent network, completely abandoning the traditional gig marketplace model. But does abandoning massive client pools in favor of an exclusive high-friction network actually result in better career stability and income? Let's look at the first metric, the mechanism of how clients actually discover your profile. This matrix breaks down the framework, starting with discovery. Traditional freelancers must constantly update SEO keywords and outbid others. On ExpertOnHire, professionals pass AI-assisted vetting to prove capabilities in areas like SaaS or data engineering. Client discovery here is based purely on verified merit. The trade-off here is a significantly higher barrier to entry. You cannot simply market your way past a lack of fundamental technical skill. You have to pass a strict, non-negotiable barrier to get inside, sacrificing easy access to successfully filter out the noise. This ensures that only highly qualified experts are presented to serious companies. The second metric is the type of client and engagement length you can expect. We update the matrix to focus on engagement types. Traditional freelancers must churn through low-budget, one-off gigs to keep activity scores high. ExpertOnHire filters out short-term tasks entirely, focusing strictly on serious startups and enterprise organizations. Because of this, experts gain the opportunity to work on deep digital transformation projects and secure repeat, relationship-based business. The major trade-off is that total project volume is vastly lower. With the low-tier work removed, you cannot use the platform for quick weekend cash grabs. ExpertOnHire requires you to trade the illusion of endless gig volume for the reality of sustainable, high-yield consulting. The final metric covers back-end operations, infrastructure, payment security, and administrative support. We update the matrix to look at infrastructure. Traditional platforms rely on automated chatbot queues, leaving freelancers with fragmented workflows and uncertain payments. ExpertOnHire operates a centralized ecosystem where interviews, communications, and workflows happen in one place. They also offer a unique differentiator. Professionals have direct access to the founding team for real human support when complex issues arise. You also get the peace of mind provided by a strict escrow-protected payment structure, meaning you can focus on technical excellence rather than chasing invoices. The trade-off for centralized security is strict adherence to internal workflow rules. You surrender some of your independent, rogue operational freedom, but giving up that rogue administrative control is a highly profitable trade when it guarantees secure payments and real human backup. ExpertOnHire is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It is a specialized tool that will severely frustrate the wrong type of user. This decision tree maps out exactly who should avoid this network and who should adopt it based on your primary freelance goal. Let's address the high-volume route first. This path belongs to junior developers, generalist freelancers, and speed taskers. If your competitive advantage is speed and low pricing, this platform's high friction and low task volume will be a massive waste of your time. Now we shift focus to the long-term consulting route. This is where fractional CTOs, solutions architects, data engineers, and specialized experts thrive. This demographic wins because their time is incredibly expensive. They need a platform that eliminates low-tier client negotiations so they can focus purely on complex problem-solving. For the veteran professional tired of mass market noise, the high barrier to entry on ExpertOnHire is the necessary investment to build a reputation that yields high-value opportunities for years to come.